So welcome back, children. We saw about the network topology. We are discussing about the network topology, right? So a network topology refers to the way in which computers are connected. Each topology is suited to perform specific tasks and has its own advantages and disadvantages. Okay. So you want to know what is network topology? That is enough for you now in this specific time. Okay, the first one is bus topology. The lab and all is about bus topology, a set of computers connected via a shared common cable or wire called a bus. This is commonly used in LAN network, right? So these computers are connected using the bus to the printer, and all the computers are connected to each other. This is the bus topology. A set of computers connected via a shared common cable or wire called a bus. This is commonly used in LAN network. This is the bus topology. The next one is about the star topology. What is meant by the star topology? See, this is the star topology. This consists of one central computer which controls all the activities of the network. Okay, the star topology consists of one central computer. This is the central computer which controls all the activities of the network. Okay, so this topology is easy to implement and develop even for large network types. Okay, we are having in our school also, we are having a server in the server room, right? That is a central computer which controls all the systems which is placed in your classroom, right? So this is the star topology where a central computer is there and it controls all the activities of the network. Okay, it is easy to implement and develop even for large network types. Clear? So bus topology is simple. It is connected to each other via cable or wire, and it is used in the LAN. And star topology, it is controlled by the single central computer. The next one is the ring topology. What is meant by the ring topology? See, this is the ring topology where each computer in this network is connected to two other computers so that it creates a ring-like structure. So here, this computer is connected to left and right side of the computer. Okay, left side one computer, right side one computer. It is connected to two, and all the computers are connected like that. From both sides it is connected. So it forms the ring-like structure. So ring topology is nothing but each computer in this network topology is connected to two other computers so that it creates a ring-like structure. Got it? So network topology consists of bus topology, star topology and ring topology. Bus topology, it is like set of computers connected via common cable called as a bus. It is commonly used in LAN. This is the bus topology. And star topology, the central computer is connected and it controls all the activities of the network. And ring topology, it is connected as a two sides. It is connected, or each computer in this network is connected to two other computers. So it creates the ring-like structure. Okay, then look deep session. Why do you think the star topology has been named so? Write your own answer. Okay, so this activity, complete this activity, we'll see the Think and Dink 2.4 question. Will practically, I will type it and show what is happening. Okay, we'll go to exam control panel first. Yes. So it is started. First check whether it is started. Go to Notepad++. Type the program. Yes, I will open a new program. Here I am going to write the PHP program. Yes, what is the first name? Right, Ritvik. Yes, it should end with the semicolon. Yes, is it so? The next line is about your class. Verse 8. Yes. And the next one is about your mark 1 is equal to 75. See here, your strings are with the double quotes and your integers are not with the double quotes. Please note the thing. Mark 2 is equal to 89 and mark 3 is equal to 92, right? Yes, 75, 89, 92 and the total is equal to variable mark 1 plus variable mark 2 plus variable mark 3 and then yes, semicolon. Okay, print break to leave the space. Okay, semicolon. Now print, what do you want to print? The name. Yes, then print break to leave the space. Print variable class. Yes, then print break, then print total. Yes, then we can close this PHP, save the PHP file. Where you want to save this PHP file? Inside the HT document. Yes. Now about the mark.php. So inside the HT docs, inside the student, I have saved this. Yes. Now we are going to run this HTTP localhost student mark.php, right? Here only one this. Mark 1 is on line 4, syntax error. Here we missed the semicolon. Got it? So here we missed the semicolon here. Save once again. Go here and reload this. So here Ritvik is 8th standard and the mark is 256. That is 75 plus 89 plus 92, 256. Yes, your result came here. So this is the thing you want to write in 2.4 activity think and dig. Okay, this is the output for the code snippet given in page number 17, 2.4. Got it? Yes. Okay. So Any other program we can show? Okay, I'll show the concatenation program. Okay. Concatenation program, what we can write here? We'll have a new file, PHP. Yes, your variable y is equal to PHP. Your variable z is equal to programming. Yes, see here we are missing the semicolon. If you miss the semicolon, it will throw back the error. Print your variable y dot variable z. Yes, then print alone. Then print alone. Okay, we'll see what is happening. That is save as inside the student. Your it is string concatenation stcat.php. I am saving this and coming here. Here stcat. See, I am going to give here stcat. See PHP program. Wait a second. We'll have break here. Yes, so that we can easily identify. Yes, here also we'll have break. Save this. And here, once again do see here, PHP programming. PHP is in Y. Programming is in Z. Here concatenation, but in Y it is not same. Yes, we'll once again see here. We'll have Y dot equal to Z. Yes. 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 We'll save this. No, save as. Save this. And then now, see, Y is PHP programming and Z is programming. So what is the difference? Here in this program, we concatenated and assigned the value inside is Y itself. Last program, what we did? We did it only concatenation, but the Y is same PHP and Z is same programming. But here, Y is being assigned by combining both. Yes? Got it clear? So this is your programs. Small programs are there in your second lesson. Please work it out and see what is happening. If you are having any doubt, you can call me. Right? If you are having any doubt, please message me. Right? Small programs, if you are having laptops, see it and do it. Next class, we'll see the practical, that is project time. What is there in the project time? We'll see the project time and see, type the program and see. And then our book back exercises of chapter 2, we'll complete it in the next class. Till that, please read it carefully. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Arithmetic operations, everything, do that and see small programs. As we are having only limited time, I'm showing you only the sample programs. Please see that. See plus, string, everything I showed you. So you also do it. Thank you, children. If you're having any doubts, you can message me. Okay. I hope you will, and I hope you understood the concept of everything. Right? Thank you.